All right, everybody, Procreate 5.3 also has a nice upgrade for ColorDrop feature. Let's try this out. I will create a new layer, and then I will create 4 simple circle outlines using the monoline brush, which is located in the calligraphy group. Circle 1, Circle 2, 3, and 4. And then I will hover my Apple Pencil over the color circle at the top right corner. Double tap on the flat surface of the Apple Pencil. And then you'll be able to see the blue top bar right here, and it says ColorDrop. And then try to hover. You will see the moving ColorDrop cursor. From here, you're ready to fill the color into the circle outlines you've created. You can also easily change the color by going back to the color circle at the top right corner and change to the color you want. All right. And what if your iPad doesn't have hover feature? Are you still able to use this ColorDrop feature? Yes, you can. Let me start over. First, you can start filling the circle by dragging the color from the top right corner, and then you will see the continuous filling button at the top bar. Okay, let's do it. Okay, you can choose Continue Filling. Oops, it timed out. Try again. Continue filling, and then you can just tap on the rest of the areas that you want to fill. All right, pretty easy, guys. What if you want to change the color? Same. You can just go back to the color circle and choose the color you want, and then tap. Pretty easy, right? That's it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Masterclass. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.